English version, Mathematics Class 5, Mathematics Chapter 1, Number 8. There are 98,000 grams rice in a house. If the family members consume 650 grams of rice every day, once which day will be rice run out? Answer will be ordinal number. Here, given that the total number of amount of rice available 98,000 grams and per day consumption of the family members 650 grams, then we can write 650 grams consumption by 1 day. So 1 gram consumption 1 by 65 day, and 98,000 grams consumption 1 into 98,000 by 65 equal to 150.77. This indicates rice for full days with a small amount remaining for the next day. So since in this still rice left after 150 days, specifically 500 grams, the family will be finished remaining rice on the following days. So 150 plus 1 equal to 151 days. So answer, the rice will be run out 151 days. Thank you.